In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. Open your web browser and head to studio.polotno.com. This is a browser-based design tool, so there's nothing to install and you can jump right in. Before adding any text or graphics, we'll set up the canvas correctly so your final logo exports with a clean, see-through background. Look at the left-hand panel and click on Background. In the background options, choose the checkerboard icon. That checker pattern is the universal sign for transparency. It means there won't be any solid color behind your logo when you export it. You might still see the checkerboard on your canvas as you work, and that's normal. It's just there to show you what's transparent. Now design your logo using text, shapes, and any graphics you like. Click to add text and pick a font that's easy to read, especially at small sizes. Bold or semi-bold weights often work well for logos. Add shapes like circles, rectangles, or icons to build a simple mark, and use color intentionally so your logo has clear contrast. Keep spacing consistent and align elements so everything feels balanced. As you tweak, try zooming in to check for crisp edges and zooming out to make sure it remains readable. If you're using multiple colors, think about how the logo will look on both light and dark backgrounds. High contrast is your friend. Subtle shadows and glow effects can look nice, but they may appear muddy on different backgrounds, so keep effects minimal if you want maximum versatility. When you're happy with the design, it's time to export. Click the download button in the upper right corner. In the download options, set the file type to PNG. This is important. PNG supports transparency, while formats like JPEG do not and will fill your background with white or another solid color. Next, find the checkbox for transparent background and make sure it's selected. This tells Polotno Studio to keep everything outside your shapes and text invisible in the final file. If that box isn't checked, you'll end up with a solid background even if the canvas looked transparent while you were designing. Go ahead and click download to save your PNG. You now have a logo with a transparent background that you can place over photos, websites, slides, videos, and any color without a visible box around it. If you ever drop it into another app and see a white rectangle, that usually means it was exported as a JPEG or the transparency option wasn't enabled. Just return to the download panel, choose PNG, check transparent background, and export again.